KBGA Missoula, this is Missing 中国, and now it's Today in Chinese History. On October the 9th, 2005, the National Bureau of Surveying and Mapping of China officially announced new data obtained by the China Everest Elevation Survey team on the summit of Mount Everest on May 22, 2005. The altitude of the rock surface of the summit of Mount Everest is 8,844.43 meters. The accuracy is plus minus 0.21 meters. The ice and snow depth at the peak is 3.5 meters. The Everest altitude data released by China in 1975 was 8848.3 meters and was discontinued. Mount Everest is the main peak in the Himalayas. It is located on the border between the People's Republic of China and Nepal. It is located at 86.9 degree east longitude and 27.9 degree north latitude. It is an approximately east-west arc-shaped mountain system. Its northern slope is in the Qinghai Tibet Plateau of China, and its southern slope is in Nepal. Thank you for listening to Today in Chinese History.